Hey guys, you're welcome back to Styled by Gat. For the first time, as please, you're welcome. Today, as usual, we are going to be using Brazilian wool to create magic. So, like I said, you're welcome back. If this is not your first time clicking on my video, and for the first timers, please do well to subscribe to this channel. We do amazing hairstyles on this channel. So I've gone ahead to cut the Brazilian wool into my desired length. In this video or in this tutorial today, I would like to do a short knotless braid, kind of fluffy like, so you'll see what the end result will be, and it will be like we didn't use the regular Brazilian wool to create this. So without bragging much about what we are going to do, let's get right into the video. And I'm parting my hair right now, and all right, let's keep going. So we are going to be starting out as knotless braid, and I've gone ahead to cut down my knotless braids, so I'll just go and pick them as I'm braiding. So I'll braid the root 3 times, then I'll start adding the Brazilian wool. So after I'm done with the part that includes my hair, I'm going to start braiding very fluffy, as loose as possible as I can. That's how I'm going to be braiding. Then when I'm down to the tips, when I know that it's about finishing again, I'll start braiding tight. You will see what the end result will be like. So I'll braid tight the tips and the root. Hope you get what I'm saying. I'll braid tight the tips and the root. Okay, so I'll go ahead and tie the tips now to secure it. You can leave it without tying, but most of the times I tie and sometimes I don't. So okay, this is what we are having. You can see the tips also is tight. Right, we are at the front now. I still no need to show you all the steps because I'm not showing you how I'm parting the hair. I just feel like you need to see 1 or 2 that will make you to understand the process and the finished look. Then you decide if you would like to make the hair or not. It's left for you, okay? So I'll just leave you to watch till the end. Give a like to this video, comment on your thoughts on this video.